Here goes Gavin.
He wants to look at the wheels.
Push! Yay! Yay, Gavin!
Hooray!
Mia, you learned to walk on this thing too. Using this little thing.
He cruises on it, doesn't he?
Put it in high gear there, didn't he? Mia, don't sit on it yet.
Go, Gavin.
Whoa. Wow.
It went too fast for you?
Here we go.
Yay, Gavin! Clay, he's going to be walking very soon.
Whoa. There you go, Gavin. What's today? February 5th, 2010?
Yep. Gavin's almost 10 months.
Whoa.
So he's going to go on a sneeze.
Slow down, little buddy. Slow down. There you go.
Mine is finger.
There you go. Did you get stuck in the corner?
Here, no, let Gavin try it and then you can sit on it. You didn't think he was going to know how to use that. He did good right there.
Yeah. Tell me, move it or lose it. Watch out. Where's he going, man?
Bye-bye, Gavin. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Gavin.
Mia.
He seems to catch up pretty well with it.
Yeah.
We need to